Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade creamy spinach dip from scratch. This recipe serves about 8 or more people. Not only is it perfect for parties, but it's absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your spinach dip. And we're going to get started with our ingredients. You will need 24 ounces, that's 1 pound of chopped spinach. You will also need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, unsalted butter, and for your seasonings you will need 1 yellow onion, garlic, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning. You will also need some salt. And I forgot to mention that you will also need some onion powder and garlic powder. And to go along with your spinach dip, I'm going to be using some Triscuit reduced fat whole wheat crackers. Now you can use any type of chips or any type of crackers that you like for this recipe, okay? And you will also need a small bowl to add your spinach dip in to serve. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Chop a half of a yellow onion. Here I have about 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop this up until it's minced. Okay, now we're going to take our cream cheese. We're going to cut this into medium-sized cubes. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a large saucepan, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Spread the butter along the bottom of your pan. Let the butter melt. Add 1 cup of chopped yellow onion and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this saute for 6 minutes. Add your 1 pound of chopped spinach and 1/4 cup of water. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this saute for 6 minutes while stirring every 2 minutes. Add your 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces, that's 1 cup of sour cream. Stir all your ingredients together. Continue to stir this until the mixture is creamy and smooth and that cream cheese has totally melted. Now let's add some seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this simmer for 4 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes now, and our spinach dip is now done. Turn your fire off. Let the spinach dip cool for about 5 minutes before serving. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, homemade spinach dip. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. Look at this. Creamy spinach dip. Woo, woo. Man, that spinach dip is nice, creamy. You can taste that spinach along with that sour cream and cream cheese. Plus, it's well seasoned. Absolutely delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.